is Kayla Altepeter. I'm a senior staff engineer at Datasite, and one of the most exciting things I get to work on lately is breaking down an app I call the Beast, internally known as Manda, into micro frontends. Meet Manda, aka the Beast. This app will consume all your local resources, most of your CI resources, and take over 45 minutes to produce a build on average. It's really rude. A little bit of numbers for size. It's pretty large. There's been extensive CI tuning. You can see in the chart compared to the smaller apps in the gray bars that smaller apps are very possible. It's just this thing is very large. And a little bit of math. It's over 107 hours building 122 artifacts last month. It's quite a bit of time, and we would be able to produce much more if it was faster. The first production MFE search is 5 to 20 minutes on average. We have others in works, and it's a pretty reasonable size. Produced 47 artifacts last month for about 13 hours. Significantly more efficient. So why would product care? Well, a mistake in a Manda system can cost a deploy from half a day to multiple days. We do deploy every day, but we will scrub a deploy if it goes badly, and that will happen on occasion. Teams across time zones impact each other, and there's a big scramble. You have to stay late, and a high priority fix that doesn't warrant a rollback can still take half a day or longer, which we want to be under an hour. And there's a additional QA effort across to handle this with a train, making sure that all coordination is handled along with the dedicated QA per team. Some context: the first production MFE allowed us to delete 8,400 lines of code. The team can now deploy independently, much faster. The local dev experience is much better, less memory, less time. Manda takes several minutes to start in comparison. And we're able to use a monorepo and NX to optimize the build without extensive CI tuning. This is a demo of a local tool I built for testing MFEs. It's very important to have some tooling to be able to test the host and MFE interaction without loading the thing that is so painful. The second one is not running. You'll see that. The third one, the search one, will load locally, and you'll see it look completely different in the end because we'll go to the Manda shell where it turns blue up top. That's Manda. Tooling, like I said, that one I just demoed for local development, NX monorepo was great because we could also take code that was in reasonable shape in Manda, port into the monorepo, and republish and share in two places, so you can maintain two places much easier. We used a variety of tools, including Nginx Build Plus for MFE output, Angular Elements because our host is Angular 9. We negotiated with product to slow down on tech debt and upgrades to get the MFE effort going faster, and they supported us. And Angular extensions for smooth loading and error handling, and then of course Manda itself to get to production faster, because nothing matters until you get your product into production. Some potential trade-offs. We're not really solving for all of these right now, or hardly any. We're just aware of them, and we are trying to avoid major pitfalls. We're not coupling things together or to the host shell. We're just trying to keep things very simple and very isolated because our goal is team independence. And bonus, the polyglot really excites some teams. Not everyone wants to do the same framework, and for some people it's just a new learning experience. So we're able to accommodate much more. That's all I had. I will tweet out my slides later. Thank you.